Non-stop pool high-temp shutdowns, soaring bills, and constant repairs. Your cooling tower is draining your factory. Leaks, loud noise, high water bills, and summer shutdowns. Slow support, hard to get parts, total nightmare. Top cooling tower / cost, no leaks, quiet and low maintenance. 开项 evaporative condensers and open, close cooling. Cooling towers for years. Custom cooling solutions for all industries. Efficient, stable, eco-friendly, and durable. Premium materials, precise machining, and full welding. K-Xiang builds reliable cooling towers. Cross-flow towers. Quiet, compact, flexible, low drift. Perfect for noise-sensitive sites. Stable and precise cooling. Control flow towers, compact, fuel-free, high efficiency, low noise, and modular. Energy saving, low maintenance, fully enclosed and built for flexible use. Serves chemical, new energy, plastic, and HVAC industries. 开造方店的 2011, serving multiple industries. Certified for full management systems in 2014. 4D patents from our R&D in 2019. Partners and tech base established in 2021. Tech and training base launched in 2021. Awarded as Innovative Enterprise in 2023. Our professional technical team keeps adopting new technologies, processes, and materials. We have obtained 6 invention patents through independent R&D and passed ISO certifications for quality. Environmental and occupational health and safety management systems. Every deep cultivation adheres to our ingenuity. Every careful refinement builds solid quality. We forge ahead unceasingly, pursuing constant progress and excellence with broader vision, inclusive mindset, and steady strides. K-Xiang keeps innovating to become a world-class cooling tower supplier. Message us for product details.